Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Nigel over at Holiday Coach and Auto Sales. Today, I bring you a 2010 Prevost H3-45. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay up to date. As you can see, this coach comes with a number of spare belts. Now, taking a look in the battery box, nice and clean. That engine you just heard is a Detroit Series 60, and it's paired to an Allison Transmission. Now, taking a look on the inside, the floor and upholstery are in good shape, just normal wear and tear. This coach is currently located in the state of North Carolina. This coach is a 56 passenger. If you are interested in this coach, feel free to give us a call today at 336-808-0320. And while you're at it, feel free to head over to our website at holidaycoachandauto.com to shop our wide selection of Prevost, MCI, Van Hool, and more. There is financing available.